the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Lincoln prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, and power seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.